So there's nothing wrong with getting older and aging. It's part of life. But there is something wrong with trying to look too young when you start to mature. It makes you look awkward, and it also makes you look like you're trying too hard. Today, guys, I'm going over some things that older guys do to look young that actually makes you look worse. Number one is a toupee or a hairpiece. Even a good hairpiece, in my opinion, is a bad hairpiece because you're always self-conscious about it. You're always trying to fix it, right? You're always worried about it. Don't do it. Gentlemen, if you're losing your hair, go to Bosley or take something like Veneers or Propecia in order to keep the hair that you have, and take it short and you'll be fine. Grow some facial hair, you'll look like a badass. Number two is a hair transplant that's bad. All right, so here's the deal. All hair transplants were not created equal. In the old days, they were super obvious. Now, if you go to a place that's going to give you an unnatural hairline, it's also obvious, and in my opinion, makes you look worse. Number three is overly dyed hair on your head, but also your facial hair. Nothing makes a dude look more obvious, like he's trying to look like super young, than when he's got like jet black hair or a jet black beard when he's literally like 65. But if you're like, yo, Alpha, I don't care. I don't want to look mature. I want to look sexy, young, and youthful. I want to cover my gray. Well, I'd recommend covering some of it. There are a lot of great products out there now that will basically take some of the gray out while leaving some of it. It really comes down to you having a little bit of restraint and making sure you don't cover it and make it jet black. The next thing that old dudes do to look younger, but it actually makes you look awkward, is veneers. All right, so am I the only one that thinks veneers look a little ridiculous? Now, a white smile, of course, is going to make you look young, youthful, and sexy. But having perfect, big, like, chiclet teeth, in my opinion, just makes you look, like, silly. It just looks, like, ridiculous and old. It's too obvious, too big, too bulky, too, like, just, like, weird, in my opinion. A better option is just whiten your teeth. You can buy it over the counter. The crest strips, I absolutely love. You wear them for about 20 minutes, boom, take them off, your teeth are whiter, or the bleaching trays, or you can go in for, like, Zoom whitening. So it doesn't make you look weird that I'm seeing more and more dudes doing to look young is facial plastic surgery and injections, whether or not it's Botox, it's Restylane, it's fillers. It's ridiculous. Age gracefully, all right? But if your face is like frozen or it's like too like shiny and just weird because you've had all the fillers and Botox, in my opinion, it makes you look insecure. It also just doesn't make you look good. Instead, you know what to do. Tish Hanley, skincare routine. Start young. If you start doing the basic things you need to do when you're young, you're not gonna have anything to worry about as you age, right? For me, I'm like almost 50 years old. And I think I look pretty young for my age, and the reason is because I have good skin. I also have good hair, and I basically take care of my body, which we'll talk about in a second. But the bottom line is take care of your skin. A basic skincare routine is something that every single one of you should start. The earlier you start, the better. If you use Tish Hanley, amazing. If you use some other lower quality, higher price product, I don't even care. Just start taking care of your skin. A few basic things you need to do every day. Wash your face twice a day, exfoliate twice a week, and then moisturize morning and night. And that's it. And those are the 4 products that come in a Tish Hanley Level 1 system. The basic fundamental products that every single one of you needs. But you could also kick it up to the next level if you're a little bit older. Level 2 comes with an eye cream. Level 3 is the one that I use. It comes with your core 4 products, eye cream, but also an anti-aging serum. Now, you want to take it next level? Go with our retinol stick. Retinol is an amazingly powerful anti-aging tool that you can use. You basically just swipe it on your face before you put on your PM moisturizer in the night. It's going to help even your skin tone. It's going to fight free radical damage. It's going to fight crow's feet, and it's just going to make you look amazing. Guys, I'm going to link down below to a special Tish Hanley link. All right, if you go through my link, I'm going to do something special for you for the new year. 40% off your first month, but you're also going to get a free gift. All right, the free gift right here is a manicure kit. It's a $30 value, right? Super badass. You're getting this bad boy for free, plus 40% off your first month. Guys, do not wait. Guys, hit the link down below. Do not wait. This is for a limited time and while supplies last. So if you're interested, go grab whichever system you want, 40% off month number 1. You're also going to get a super badass free gift. The next thing that makes you look weird and awkward as an older dude is trying to dress too young. Oh my God, this one drives me crazy, right? Here's the deal. There are a few things we got to talk about. If you're wearing like super young, trendy brands, it makes you look awkward and old. If you're shopping in stores that are way too young for you, also awkward and old. Another one is wearing clothes that are too tight. All right, skinny jeans look bad on pretty much anybody, but they look even worse on dudes that are over the age of like 45. All right, some other things. If you're wearing skin tight shirts to the gym, you look like a douche. You also look, once again, like you're trying too hard. The deal is, gentlemen, you got to take care of your body, but you got to also wear clothing that fits your body. Don't wear clothing that's too trendy. Don't wear clothing that's too young. Don't wear overly ostentatious shit because it makes you look stupid. Which brings me to the next thing that makes you look weird. All right, here's the deal. This one's probably gonna make you go, wait, what? But the deal is, if you go to the gym and you see an older gentleman and he's just like jacked. Now, I'm not talking about like good shape or like relatively lean. I'm talking about like jacked, obviously on a very strong supplement plan, all right? Little TRT, little something more than a TRT. It's actually not therapy, it's abuse at that point. But these dudes are just looking like kind of stupid in my opinion because of how big and how massive they are. There's a fine line between being in good shape for your age and looking stupid and just like, I don't know. I'm not feeling the whole like giant, jacked, ripped, shredded stud when you're literally in your 50s or 60s. I mean, if that's your thing, that's your thing, but I personally think it's a little bit weird. Something else that's weird is when you use too much young person slang, right? If you're a dude and you're over the age of like 40 and you're saying dope, you look like a dope. Being a party animal, all right? This one also is another one of those like, poor thing. If you're an older dude, right? You want to go out, you want to have a drink, you want to go out, you want to socialize, that's fine. But if you're hitting the club and you're all like being like, yeah, like let's go, like come on, like let's go home and go to bed, all right? The next thing that makes you look kind of old, and this one, once again, is going to be like, dude, Alpha, don't hate on them, is dating women that are way too young for you. All right, this, once again, for me, is a little bit of an ick, all right? I am fine with you looking good. I am fine with you dating attractive women, but when it goes to like young girl, then it's definitely like a little bit weird. I'm not mad at you for having money or being like awesome, right? And being a little bit older, that's fine. Women do find older, awesome, successful men like attractive. But when you're dating like a 20-year-old and you're 52, this, in my opinion, makes you look a little creepy. Speaking of creepy, too many accessories, right? Think of Johnny Depp. All right, if you see Johnny Depp, like years ago when he was like younger, he was wearing a bunch of accessories, right? He's got the earrings, he's got the necklaces, he's got bracelets and all that good stuff. And back then when he was younger, it was like, all right, cool, Johnny. You're a little like cool, Johnny. Right now, he's still doing it and he's like in his 60s and it just looks weird. Something else that looks weird when you're a little bit older is wearing trendy bags or carrying trendy bags, right? Crossbody bags, those like little bags with like the string backpacks. Like they just look stupid, gentlemen. Pretty much any like ultra trendy thing, whether or not it's shoes, it's pants, it's jackets, you look a little bit weird, or I should say awkward, or better yet, douchey. And the last thing that makes you look like not good as you age is too much cologne. All right. Something that I've noticed is that it seems like some dudes, like as they get older, they increase the amount of pumps or sprays that they're rocking. They're like, yo, smell me, I'm sexy. And I'm like, yo, get away from me, you're repulsive.